Hey guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a very special one. It is our first ever unboxing. Hopefully not the last, but our first ever unboxing video.
So we had an automotive company reach out to us and ask us if we wanted to do a product review and installation video.
So this portion is just going to be our unboxing and review, and then we're going to have a installation review follow-up video later on down the line. So we're going to go ahead and kick this one off.
Alright, what's up guys? So MaXpeedingrods had reached out to us on Instagram and they asked if we wanted to do a product and review video on some BMW coilovers. So obviously you guys know we've got the twin turbo LS BMW. So we said of course we'll take some free coilovers in exchange for that product installation video and review video.
So we pretty much said, hey, if it's free, it's for me, right?
So we said yes, and within just a couple days we had some communication with MaXpeedingrods, and about 3 days later a package came in the mail.
It was funny because I actually saw your wife struggling to get this one inside. I was like, man, what's in that box? But I, of course, didn't help.
So here is our package, MaXpeedingrods. It's a pretty hefty box, but we should go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. Let's open it up and find out. The great unveil.
Oh.
And there it is.
Yep.
Look at that package. That's a good looking package.
That's what she said. Shiny.
So, kind of first thoughts here. The box is pretty heavy duty. Came in pretty good shape. Not too beat up, but looks like it's packaged very well. Coilovers here are all in a plastic bag. Some dividers in here keeping them separated. Looks like we got a installation manual. You know what we do with those?
Trash.
And then we've got a booklet about MaXpeedingrods. We'll leave that one here.
It's a nice booklet.
Alright, so here we have the 91 through 99 3 Series E36 coilovers from MaXpeedingrods. These have 1 to 3 inch lowering, so we'll see how that turns out. First glance at the package, everything was packaged real well. You've got your fronts here. These are pretty stout. They've got your adjustments here on the top. So these actually look very nice. So I've bought some really cheap coilovers in the past, and I've got some nicer coilovers. So I'm excited to see how these compare to all of those. So these coilovers run about 340 something bucks. So here we have your rear, nice anodized kind of gold finish. We've got a kind of a yellowish color here down on the steel portions. Then we've also got our rear springs here. Again, we've got our anodized aluminum.
Aluminium.
I really like the color on these. Not that anybody's gonna see them, but they look pretty cool.
Speak for yourself. I plan on getting some airtime with these. We'll see.
Comes with the adjustable tools here, so you can set your ride height, Nice laser engraving done on those tools.
Do notice one little thing. I don't think that's going to be a big deal, but looks like it might have bent a little. Yep. We'll let them know about that, but that's for the brake lines, so shouldn't be a big deal.
Yep, the packaging, everything looked really well. First glance, everything looks like it's fairly well made.
Yeah, packaging looks like they did a pretty decent job getting it all in there. It doesn't look like anything could really move from where it was at. Looks like it could take a beating on the shipping end. Looks like it might have taken a little bit of a beating on the shipping end, but I mean, not too bad.
Got some adjustments here. Raise and lower it. Got some probably camber adjustments up here.
Ooh, we gonna stance it, aren't we?
You're gonna get all the cambers. Which we might have to, depending on how much it lowers it. We might actually have to do a little bit of camber on it to get it to fit.
I could be a stance boy now.
Looks like it's got some good welds here around all the mounting points. Couple tacks here on this, but like we mentioned, that's just for your brake lines. But
we don't need those when we're going. Just gotta go fast. Something will stop us.
Yeah, nice hardware. Nice.
Looks all stainless steel.
Yeah.
Can't wait to get these on there. Well, what's your overall first impression on that?
I think for a good budget-friendly coilover, again, $340. I think first opinion is they look well made, and I'm excited to get them on the car and see how they ride compared to some of the other ones we've had. Yeah. So I've done the cheap eBay sleeves before. We've got stance coilovers on the 240. We've got all string suspension on the Fox body. So it'll be really good to see how all this compares to the other suspension we've got in some of the other vehicles. So that's the coilovers. Honestly, I was really kind of impressed with, I guess I wasn't expecting them to be as kind of heavy and beefy as they were. First set of coilovers for me, like he said, he's had multiples. Yeah, it'll be interesting. I'm looking forward to seeing how they install and how they perform once we get them on and actually take it for a drive. But we'll also put a link for the product in the description below. And then we'll also put our code in for 10% off. That's code 815, and that's good for anything on the MaXpeedingrods website. Yeah, so hit them up, see what you guys can find on there. But that's going to do it for today's episode. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. You're not going to want to miss the video where we put this on the car, so keep in touch.